Hey everyone, I'm here with the Chadwick Miller new in box. Picked it up off of eBay for $30. So, got a down rod, which is actually going to be the perfect size. I plan to put this in my bedroom, and I think this appears to be a factory wall control. Yes, it is. Chadwick factory control 5-speed, very similar to the Evergo Montgomery Ward control for my other Evergo. But actually this is not on Evergo. It is labeled a Chadwick Miller, and it's actually made by Union, which I don't know if it says that. Chadwick Miller, made in Hong Kong. I thought somewhere I saw it said Union NG or something like that. Does it say that on here anywhere? Thought it did. Yeah, maybe it does on the control. Okay. It's a transformer-based control. Wonder if there's directions to wire it up, because... Okay. But I thought somewhere... Well, let's pull some more out. Comes with a J-hook. Got a few of these already. Blade sets. Set of blades, I imagine. Yep, blade set. And let me put the camera down. All right. And this must be the motor. And there are some instructions and yes. Let's just see. Alright. See what it all came with. It's probably for a light kit. Another nut. This looks like a canopy. Piece of hardware. Bell-shaped upper canopy. And of course, my motor. Oop. Yes. Yeah. Screws. So here it is. Chadwick Miller. I think this is supposed to pigtail up through the down rod. Yes, this is where it says it. Union NGOK manufacturing. So no wonder this is related to Evergo. Union and Evergo, they are related. So Union made more of the industrials. Oh, I think I know what these are. These are a couple of, but let's see. Let me just put this in here real quick. More washer, but I can do without. All right. Oh, here it is. One last lock washer. All right. But let's let's open up the set of blades. All right, careful. Beautiful. Just like my Evergo blades. But there are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I'll be back when I'm ready to test this. Until next time, I'll see ya.